All right, we're going to do the compression test. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, cylinder 1, we're getting 180. Let's check the other 3. Okay, cylinder 2, 1, 2, 3. Getting 180. Okay, cylinder 3, let's check it out. Okay, we're doing cylinder 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're getting 180. One more cylinder, and we're good. Okay, we're gonna do cylinder 4. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. And we're getting 180. Cool. Okay, since we have a good compression engine, now we can go ahead and install the timing cover, intake manifold, and everything around it. So stay tuned for the next part. Right now, we know that this engine is really good. Go back to the top, dead center. There it is, top dead center. Just like that. Tiny mark is right there. And we got the bottom one down here. Right there. Made a notch there. And of course the timing cover will line up right there for the top dead center. This is 10 degrees. But yeah, we're good. Okay, let's continue. And this KA24E engine is almost done. Remember, this is out of a 97 pickup because it's got the casting number 72R. That's because of the intake manifold holes. They're machined right here a little bit more on all of them. But it still works on the 89 Nissan 240SX. So awesome. Okay, thank you.